Shortwave communication are essential in ATC to get a long-range coverage over wide areas like desert or ocean, or in general where no installation of VHF radio is possible. The new SK4105 is the HF high-power transmitter of the Certium ecosystem. Meeting the requirement of beyond line of sight combined with a very high reliability is the ideal solution for long-range communications. One of the important highlights of the SK4105 is the built-in reliability architecture. Each critical module in the device is redundant. This means even if in case of a power supply failure or a power amplifier failure, the SK41 continues to operate without interruptions. The SK4105 has a very compact footprint. Relying on liquid cooling technology, it can be housed in just one rack. That means it saves 75% of the room compared to similar products in the same power class. That means the migration from a previous system is very easy and ensure that for expansion of the system you can save the cost of the infrastructure. If you want to learn more about our new HF power transmitter from Rohde Schwarz, please visit our website.